Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CHZ Chiliz daily update. We are going to see the next price targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see what CHZ is going to do. So eventually CHZ right here has a nice sideways price pump, actually I would say pattern, right? You can see that CHZ is one of the few altcoins that didn't even care about this correction that we had, right? We had of course a minus 27% during this huge downtrend, but at the end of the day, the next day it was at a plus 39%. Now we want to see what is next for CHZ, as we have of course the major events of the World Cup on soccer, on football actually, okay, and we have many other things as well coming in for CHZ updates and stuff like that. So you know, the football coins right there, the sports coins, the football coins especially, will take an advantage over the other altcoins. Now we want to see what CHZ will be doing. We have the exact targets of around plus 0.2550, around there to 49. If we can close above this line right here, it will be fantastic. I would like CHZ to close above in the daily frame or in the 4-hour frame. I would prefer the daily frame because with the daily frame you minimize the risk. So if you go right here, we need the body of the candlestick to close above the 0.2549. Now if CHZ does that, then it is very likely that we are going to see a nice uptrend, another uptrend towards the 0.29 again. And not only that, it could be the case that we are going up all the way to the 0.35. Okay, so insane stuff from CHZ, insane stuff from Chiliz right here. If you had, for example, right there, a nice long position coming in from this day or this day right here, just stay in, okay? If you are thinking about buying CHZ, just wait a little bit so we can confirm the bullish action of this altcoin. Now, if we go back to the risk metrics, we are having a kind of a nice pattern right here formation that could happen. The RSI with the higher lows and the lower highs, okay, lower highs, higher lows, and we could be going all the way up higher. Look at the commodity channel index as well, right? Higher lows and lower highs with the commodity channel index, and we could go further up higher, okay, into the 0.3526 and so on, and maybe even higher than that. I'm going to provide you some important resistance levels coming in for the midterm, and you can see that we get rejected once from the 0.5, okay, which is the 0.2779, but the next thing that we could do is to go all the way up to the 0.37, right? This is a huge buying pressure, plus 32%. And of course, after the 0.37 could be the case that we are going back up to the 0.55. Now we talked about all the bullish things that the CHZ could have, but what about the bearish ones, right? What about if we go and get rejected, for example, from the 0.786? Then CHZ is going back down to the lows of the 0.22 and to the lows of the 0.20 and further down. Okay, so we might be having something like this, 0.20, 0.22, 0.25. I'm talking about though more of the resistance levels because the support levels, okay, 0.2550, 0.2266, 0.2079, these support levels are not so likely to happen as the resistance levels for CHZ. Okay, I believe that CHZ is going probably to go further higher, but I'm trying to get the most logical targets out there. Okay, for example, I'm pretty confident that CHZ can do good, but at the end of the day, what if it doesn't? What if we close below, right? I have to provide the support levels as well for you and for the viewers, so you know that if we do not close above the 0.2550, then do not expect a huge price action, a huge price movement to the upside. Okay, so that's it for now. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.